HipKit friends, Anke here with a new layout and process video featuring the August HipKits. Today's layout is inspired by the gorgeous September mood board created by Christina, which you can see here. Inspired by the straws on the mood board, I cut paper strips from the HipKit Club Awesome Life OB Hive paper and make my own straws. Them on my layout and add my photos, 2 tags and paper strips in blue and purple from the HipKit Club exclusive Awesome Life tags and label die cuts, which are included in the August embellishment kit. Also add some of the HipKit Club exclusive Awesome Life floral die cuts, which are also included in the August embellishment kit, and the HipKit Club exclusive ephemera, which you can find in the August main kit. Before adhering everything, I want to add some color to the background of my layout. Therefore, I use the soft lilac ink pad from the August color kit and a Vicky Boutin stencil from an older color kit and a sponge. The background is finished and I can adhere the straws, tags, the die cuts and my photos. The title of my layout is a combination of a die cut from the floral die cut pack and some of the HipKit Club exclusive Awesome Life mini puffy alphabet stickers included in the August Pocket Life kit. Also add one of the HipKit Club exclusive puffy shape stickers, which are also included in the August Pocket Life kit. Then I wrap the cardstock on the top and bottom of my layout and back it with pieces of the HipKit Club Awesome Life OB Hive paper. To give the layout the final touch, I add some black color splatters and animal dots. The animal dots are included in the August Pocket Life kit. So here you can see my finished layout. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and feel inspired to create a mood board based project too. Thanks for joining me today.